Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening phone link on your Windows 11 PC and link to Windows on your Android phone. This is the only supported path to pair them. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices now, because authentication ties your phone to the PC. Once done, allow location and network access on the phone, then tap the pair or link option. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Keep both devices close while the initial connection is established. After scanning the phone link QR code with link to Windows, you must accept several permissions: notifications, SMS, calls, and media access, so features function correctly. Give background activity and battery exclusion permissions to prevent the phone from pausing the link. Otherwise, disconnections occur. Once permissions are granted, Phone Link will request access to your phone's apps and files. Confirm those prompts to enable app streaming and file drag and drop. Keep an eye on on-screen prompts. Some require explicit consent to complete the connection. Finish by testing core features. Send an SMS, place a call, and launch an app from Phone Link to confirm streaming or mirroring works. If things stall, reboot both devices, reopen Phone Link and link to Windows, and repeat the QR pairing. This often resets stalled permissions and services. If problems persist, make sure both apps are updated, you're signed into the same Microsoft account, and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on usually clears transient connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.